Hi, this video looks at the assignment operator and the equal to comparison operator in Python programming. The assignment operator is represented by the 1 equal sign, and the equal to comparison operator is represented by 2 equal signs, or a double equal sign. So let's not confuse the difference between the two. The equal sign, which is represented by the 1 equal sign, is used in assignment statements where we want to store a value to a variable. So let's have a look at an example. So if I bring across my interactive shell, we can say up here that we're saying spam is true. So we're assigning a value to the spam, which is true. And that's how we would use the assignment operator. Whereas the double equal sign is used in expressions to see whether two values are equal. So let's have a look at some examples. So here we could say that the number 10 is equal to number 10. So we get a true return, a true Boolean value. If we have a look at this example, we're saying number 11 is equal to number 10, and we would get a false return because this is not the case. Now, the not equal to comparison operator is represented by an exclamation mark and 1 equal sign. So if we have a look at an example here, what we're saying is number 10 is not equal to number 10, and we would get a false Boolean value returning. Hope this video has helped you to understand the difference between the assignment operator and the equal to comparison operator in Python programming.